Do you want me to continue with it or you want me to end it? What are we going to be explaining the whole time? There's no point for us to be here. That was pure last night.
As long as I could promise I'm helping them now, so let me tell you that.
But you mau pasal kapasok kan udah musim singke. Everything in bit. Again, is this my BF? My goodness, this is my little brother. You see how you guys look alike. What do you mean?
I don't know you should be more show up on the
BK ay nasalan. Nakasagalan. Brother, how many cows? Betty, how many cows?
In life.
Yeah. Everyone, how many times did you clap?
I'm not sure. but I would know.
Clapping them cheeks.
I normally, when I take something, I will go and Google it. What the benefits of green tea? Every time I
You know, sure. How is it?
let me see.
Do you get through? Do you get through?
No, I just drink it like that.
How would you?
But you say that you should drink green tea from the empty stomach.
They don't advise that.
They advise that you drink it from the empty stomach.
On an empty stomach.
Green tea.
Oh. Sit up.
Sit up. But these folks.
Yeah. Why am I detoxing? Because I've been detoxing the whole week.
You can date your sister. Nah.
We are from Eswatini, Swaziland.
Can I
Did you
date
say
your
no?
sister? Yeah, I said no. Please.
Come to Cape Town. I don't know anybody in Cape Town. I don't have friends there. I don't know anybody.
Looks like everyone's from Cape Town. Oh, it's the same person. They say, why don't you use Instagram?
I'm not at the point yet to be slaying, guys. I need, I don't have a sponsor. I need to have a bag, but I have important things to take care of. I'm kidding. I just don't know. I left Instagram a long time ago. I can't keep up. I can't keep up. I don't have the money for it. You guys, can you please tap the screen? When does it snow in Swaziland, and when is the best time to go and ski?
What's that?
So we don't have
We don't have snow.
skiing. Is never gonna happen in Swaziland unless they get us like a man-made snow. then maybe one day we can try skiing.
Yeah, it's a cold place, but we don't have snow. We never.
I have a big house, no problem. Come with your brother too. Hey, that's dangerous. We like staying home, to be honest. I like staying home. God.
No one was paying the bill.
The guy that paying the bill.
Can come visit me. We have snow this side. I used to go to school with Lahade. Her name is Jam.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like it.
She's now no longer in the country.
Oh.
She's abroad. You will come back and let us know how snow feels like, because we don't know.
Carry samples.
Samples on there along the way. Is dude Nigerian? He
What?
looks at me. This is not Nigerian. This is purely
How's it,
Swazi.
Mzansi?
I think it's because of this.
That's
What?
bad.
No.
Yo.
You-
Why would you say that?
What's your Nigeria?
Yo.
I think it's because he's sick.
Yeah, I'm so sick. Yeah.
And you need to change your looks. You can't be labeled like that. No. I love you. You so cute. Thank you so much. Yo, as for Nigerian, me too. I'm actually perplexed. I'm devastated.
There's nothing wrong with Nigerians, but why?
No, but you can't have that. Oh.
That's too far.
Nobody.
Is he fighting on the phone again?
I lost school, that's why. No, I'm so sorry. No. No, don't come back.
So y'all swati, yes.
Oh, man, depende on what I do. When they will come back. And I deleted my group
We're
that
doing
house.
a
Oh,
good couple.
no.
We're doing a good couple. This is my brother. That's nasty. That
It's
is
so weird.
nasty.
I did
This is my little brother.
The phone doesn't
That is so. We don't.
I thought it was very obvious. Like I don't know.
So I deleted everything. And we basically say
I thought it was obvious.
I just removed it like that. Yes.
Ah, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong?
Oh, this monk was on the other side. I don't know.
What you can say?
No, super good. What a friend.
Monkey.
They've been doing me like other friends. I'm like, jeez, man, this guy, bro, what a friend he is. Yo,
That is so cute.
there it is.
I wish I had someone like that.
You have me.
Well,
Next
you
year,
you never give me money.
I will. I'll change. This is my time.
Dude, he don't hated me. Like I've never received money from him. Like even a card, like
But
even
man,
like,
good things about to happen to me. Like, real. But I'm done pooping around, you know. I woke up angry morning because I'm pooping so school way. And I was the oldest one in the class. The teacher was like, I'm so like.
Let's
you're
not
so
go into
disappointed.
meanings. Let's not go into meanings.
no, I don't even want to go there.
You know,
Would you, do you want me to take her down this live so we can talk?
Oh no.
Okay,
no.
alright.
Oh, okay, no, don't go. You know about my put just going Belanja. It means be like EMO. And I've been having this dream.
But
It's been
on the
happening.
negative,
Like it's been
on the
happening.
positive side, on the positive side, it means like
all the time, and I always never get my tests done. Every time I'm trying to.
But no
I
put
never-
you,
There is a positive side for that.
EMO, it shouldn't be happening to me. Imagine.
No, lesikhathi kusho ukuthi uyafunza like uyafunza like life.
It's like a
Sometimes
lesson,
kusho ukuthi
maybe.
impilo uyachika. So
It can mean a lot of things,
it can be positive, it can be negative.
but you must pray.
And then my mom tells me, and then they call me about it. My mom only say her last words.
What is a muko? What is a muko?
Yo, I hate that
Am I
Biggie has a
pronouncing
life
that well?
outside of us. Look at him.
He doesn't care for us. God, he really doesn't.
I don't want to get hear people being called a muko because
I don't even know
I
what
might go
that
viral. It's a trend.
Maybe these guys
What's
don't
the
want
meaning
to-
of muko?
I honestly
It's a compliment.
Naomi looks like a filter. Like you really look beautiful, today, I'm telling you.
Oh, thank you, hero.
Hey, she just looks amazing today, don't you?
Always.
Yeah, more like that. Like it's unheard of. And then I wonder if I didn't know that I'm born for the first time, how would my reaction would be seeing her?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe if I had money, like, okay, cool, maybe I had a chance.
Why are you saying things like that? I don't think you would like me because you'd say, she's old.
Nah, I definitely would. But Naomi is the most beautiful girl.
Not meant to.
Cap. That's
She's the most
cap.
beautiful girl
That's
on the
cap.
Swati.
You're a
Oh shit! Hey,
nah.
Naomi is the most beautiful girl in Swati in the whole of the Swati.
Nango, get
I'm telling you, bro. Tell it. Oh God. I have to be better.
Thank you.
Oh,
Right.
oh, the bag. Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah.
When we order takeaways, do
Has
we?
anyone told you you
do
look
we
like a
have this?
student teacher?
Who?
You only see once. I don't know. Nobody has ever told me that.
I told you she never takes compliment.
This is my little brother. He's not my boyfriend. I would definitely not have a young boyfriend. I like older people. I like older people.
The older the better. Mature.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Pelo.
Yeah.
Não já não pelo na gente. Bam.
No, I'm not.
No, it is very nice.
Without pizza, get
And you know, I don't want to hear you complaining. You guys never got Chinese food for me. This is the last time I ever don't. even want to-
Chinatown.
No, hey, he's always been complaining. Why you guys go
Who's
to
it?
Chinese restaurant when I'm not around? This guy. Yeah.
I like. Yeah, you always go to Chinese food.
Chinatown. What the hell is that though?
What is that? Just Sparacas.
It's like it's like
Yeah,
Yes,
I like it.
I want chopsticks though.
We do it.
Do you have them?
Why would I use that?
At this age, I'm gonna.
We're speaking.
It's gonna be a horrible Christmas for me though. I'm not even going to.
Same here. Same here.
Oh, 2025 has been.
I think it's been like flipping. It's been a possessed year.
Yeah.
We lost a lot of people.
I lost a lot of things. I lost a lot of. 2024 was worse, but 2025 takes the cup.
I haven't had a good year since 2021. I've been on the shelves. Since 2021, I've never had a good year.
This December 31st.
Yeah, please.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Oh, you can't leave.
No, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna want to try.
Hold on. That's a spiral. Look at this soy sauce ikon. Nice.
Boom. Doing other things.
Oh, almost done.
Oh, okay. Uyotela wine.
The way
Diamond.
I went to the
I think it's gonna go.
With there's a big booty.
No, that's just it. I
Yeah.
mean,
yeah,
my body shaming.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna leave.
we out today.
You're not.
No, I'm. Oh, I didn't do explain the ones.
Yeah, this one is hot.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not eating hot.
Just my little brother.
Are you taking hot?
That's what weekend hero. Raheem Sterling from Temu. I don't know who that is.
So I've many lookalikes. Someone called me Muko, someone called me Rahim,
No,
someone.
he was saying that in his language.
Oh. Oh. Now I understand. Yeah, I'm a footballer, yeah.
I didn't know.
You wouldn't say that.
I just heard. Hey, I wish to see someone. Ocean cuisine.
Balu.
I just wish I could. Don't mention names, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, I just wish I could see him.
Oh, he looked great yesterday. He did. Yeah, he looks
Is
great.
is he light? Oh,
This is mine.
is he light
Oh,
skin?
nice.
He's fair, but he looks great. He looks great. He looks in shape. He looks
Dude, I
great.
haven't seen that guy in like a long. Ever since he
looks
came to
great.
my
He
house.
looks so great. He looks great. What did you call him?
I will never do that to myself. I don't know what kind of response he wanted when he came to my house to tell me that he's dating someone. And then he kissed my hand and he left. And then the second time he saw me was in Summerfield. And then he was like, oh, he texted me the next day. He said, hi, I didn't respond.
Why didn't you respond?
Because I didn't know what to say. I was hurt. I was so hurt. I don't know if he told me that to get a reaction out of me, but I had never called. I had never called again. Yo, I don't want to do that to myself.
The mega powers.
Guys, I haven't eaten for days, so I'm really.
Without your man. I thought you said you were gonna use chopsticks. I seen you using
No, I'm
a
not
spoon.
using it.
This is a very nice light.
But today is too salty.
It's too spicy.
I mean, the
Spicy.
spicy. Salt.
How did you like the salt?
Yeah, I do, but
Is it too much?
I wouldn't say. But yeah, there's salt. It's too much than normal.
I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I mean, I have nothing to do, nothing to say today, so